Hey Glammies, and welcome back to my channel. Let's just get straight into the tutorial. So today I'm not using any foundation, but I will be using concealer. I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade CW13, and I'm just putting this underneath my eyes, my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin area, and I'm going to blend that out with the beauty blender. I also add in some LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, just to give myself a more bronzy color, because the CW13 is a very cool color and I wanted to warm it up a little bit. So I'm just making sure to take my time and blend this out all together, nice and seamless. At first it's gonna look a little crazy, but once we add bronzer and all of that good stuff, it will definitely look better. So I'm gonna now go in with my favorite bronzer in the world, and this is my Fenty Beauty contour stick in the shade Espresso, and I'm just gonna contour the heck out of my face. I'm gonna do my forehead, I'm gonna do my nose, I'm gonna do my cheekbones, of course, underneath my lips and my chin. And I'm gonna start at first by using a beauty blender, which is a Real Technique sponge, but you guys know what I mean. And then I'm gonna switch over to the brush because, you know, I need to get real chiseled and bronzy out here, so it required me to switch over to the brush so that I could get a more full coverage look. So as I'm blending this out, I'm just taking my time, and I know it might look crazy at first, but trust me guys, it is not going to look crazy when I'm finished. And you can leave some harsh lines because I'm gonna go back in with my Real Technique sponge and I'm going to blend out the harsh lines. And I'm just gonna go over my nose again in case I lost some of the color from blending it out with the Real Technique sponge. And now here I'm just going in and blending it all together, making sure that it's seamless. For powder to set my under eyes, I'm using the Ruby Kisses 3D Face Contour Palette, and I'm using those two light colors that I showed you guys because I threw out my Sacha Buttercup setting powder by accident when I was moving out of college, so this is all I have for now, but it actually worked really well and I love it. And here's a little ratchet break for you guys. I was listening to some Cardi B while filming this, and now I'm just taking on a clean brush and I am dusting it off. Now I'm going in with my favorite bronzer of all time. If you watch my channel, you know that is my Queen CoverGirl collection. I'm just bronzing up my face. And now I'm just priming my eyes with soft ochre palette. So for my eyeshadow today, I went in with Primavera as my eyebrow highlight. And do you guys see how gorgeous it looks as an eyebrow highlight? It's beautiful. Then I go in with the shade Red Orchid, and then Venetian Red, Real Guard, and then Cyprus Umber to make my eye look. And I'm just showing you guys all the colors right now, just so you guys know what's gonna come up. So first I took Red Ochre and I put it right down into my crease, and I'm just packing on the color, and then I put some Venetian Red on top, and I'm just stacking my colors because I find that it's way easier to blend them like this. And then I take a big fluffy blush and I use the color Real Guard to blend them all together seamlessly, and I'm just buffing this in and taking my time to make sure that everything looks great together. And then last, to deepen up the crease and to kind of make a halo effect, I put it on the inner corner and the outer corner and then connect it and blend it out. I use Cyprus Umber, the dark brown in the palette, to do this. And I'm just blending. Now to cut the halo eye, I use my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm just using like creamy beige, I think the color was. And I'm just taking my time and making like a spotlight halo for the next color that I'm going to apply down, which is a Foil Eyes 28 color eyeshadow from the BH Cosmetics palette, and it's just this pretty teal color and I love it so much. Then I just use this Urban Decay blending brush to blend out Cyprus Umber into the teal color so that there aren't any harsh lines. And I go in with this pretty glitter because you guys know I'm the glitter queen and I can't help but to use glitter. And now I'm just fast forwarding. I put on some lashes and I finish my bottom lash line with that teal color, and I just spray my brush and put on some highlight. Yes, the highlight is Dripping Gold and it is a Makeup Revolution highlight. And I'm just taking this brown eyeliner and I am this brown lip liner, and I am lining my lips. And now I'm using this Glam Queen Cosmetics lipstick in the color Amina, and then I'm gonna pop on a NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline on top because this is my absolute favorite nude combination. And voila, setting it with some Mario Badescu spray, and I'm done. I'll see you guys next week for a business video. Love you. Bye, Glammies.